Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about chapter 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In this lesson we are going to learn what is natural vegetation and its categories, and in detail we are going to learn about forests. Now let's see what is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid. That means without human support, the plants which grown by naturally is known as the natural vegetation. The growth of the vegetation depends on temperature and moisture, and also it depends on factors like slope and thickness of soil. Now let's see natural vegetation's types. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories as follows. One is forest which grow where temperature and rainfall are plentiful to support a tree cover. Next one is grasslands which grow in the region of moderate rain. And the last one is shrubs, thorny shrubs and scrubs grow in the dry region. Now let's see about forests in detail. There are different types of forest. Let's see the types of forest first. Tropical evergreen forests, tropical deciduous forests, temperate evergreen forests, temperate deciduous forests, Mediterranean vegetation, and coniferous forests. Now let's see about tropical evergreen forest. These forests also called tropical rainforest. These thick forests occur in the regions near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. This is the reason they are called evergreen forest. Children, do you know why these forests are called evergreen forest? Because there is no dry season in this area and the trees do not shed their leaves. That's the reason they are always called evergreen forest. Okay, what are the trees grown in this area? Let's see. The hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are the common trees which grows here. Look at the image of the tropical evergreen forest. And do you know there is one message for us, that is anaconda, one of the world's largest snakes, is found in the tropical rainforest. It can kill and eat a large animal such as a crocodile. In the anaconda, the largest snake found in the tropical evergreen forest. Now let's see about tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous are the monsoon forest found in the large part of India, northern Australia and in Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found here are sal, teak, neem and shisham trees. These trees are useful for furniture, transport and constructional materials. Now let's do one activity is they have given. Where in India do tropical evergreen and tropical deciduous forest occur? Name the states. And which type of forest dominates most part of India? You have to find out the answers for this. activity. Now let's see the temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents. USA, South China and Southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Look at this image of the temperate evergreen forest. Now let's see about temperate deciduous forest. As we go towards high latitudes, there are more temperate deciduous forests. These are found in northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, foxes, wolves are the animals commonly found here. Mediterranean vegetation. The west and the southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation, which we have learnt. Most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa and Asia. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in California in the USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America and Southwest Australia. These regions are marked for hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives and grapes are commonly cultivated here. Because people have removed the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want to. Let's see the coniferous forest. In the higher latitudes of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are also called as taiga. These forests also been in the higher altitudes. These are the trees which found in Himalayas. They are tall, softwood, evergreen trees. The woods of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprints. Taiga means pure or untouched in the Russian language. Now let me explain the worksheet. The first question is, which are the three broad categories of natural vegetation? What are the three broad categories? One is forest, the second one is grassland and the last one is shrubs. Okay, explain the tropical evergreen forest. You have to write in detail about tropical evergreen forest, in which countries we can find tropical evergreen forest and the temperatures and what are the trees they have grown and animals which we find in those forests. That you have to write in detail. Now the last one is, name the two hardwood trees commonly found in the tropical evergreen forest. Once you're done with the homework, send it to the WhatsApp group, Class 7 Social Science NAPS group, between 6 to 8 in the evening. Bye children. Take care. Let's meet in the next session.